Imagine waking up every month to find extra money deposited into your account. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of passive income. And one of the best ways to achieve this is by investing in dividend stocks. These stocks represent ownership in companies that share their profits with investors, providing a steady stream of income. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply seeking financial freedom, dividend stocks can help you reach your goals. Dividend stocks are like the gift that keeps on giving. Instead of relying solely on selling stocks for profit, dividend stocks provide an additional income stream. This regular payout can supplement your regular income or be reinvested to buy more shares, creating a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially. It's a strategy embraced by both seasoned and novice investors seeking long-term financial stability. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting seeds for a fruitful future. But just like any investment, it's essential to approach it with knowledge and caution. This guide will equip you with the fundamentals of dividend investing, empowering you to make informed decisions and potentially reap the rewards of this powerful investment strategy. Let's dive into the world of dividend stocks and unlock the potential of passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of publicly traded companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Companies in mature industries with steady cash flows often opt for dividend payouts as a way to reward their investors. These companies are typically well-established and have a proven track record of profitability. Investing in dividend stocks offers several advantages. Firstly, it provides a regular income stream, which can be particularly beneficial for retirees or individuals seeking passive income. Secondly, dividends can help offset losses during market downturns. When stock prices fall, dividend payments can act as a cushion, mitigating potential losses. Moreover, some dividend stocks come with tax advantages. In certain jurisdictions, dividends are taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, boosting your after-tax returns. This tax efficiency makes dividend stocks an even more attractive investment option for income-seeking investors. Building a successful dividend portfolio starts with thorough research. Begin by identifying companies with a consistent history of dividend payments. Look for companies with a strong track record of profitability and a sustainable dividend payout ratio, which is the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. Diversification is crucial for any investment portfolio, and dividend stocks are no exception. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. This way, if one sector underperforms, your entire portfolio won't be adversely affected. Consider investing in dividend-focused ETFs for instant diversification. Once you've identified potential investments, open a brokerage account that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Choose a reputable platform with low fees and a user-friendly interface. Many online brokers offer research tools and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Section 4. Dividend Champions. Exploring established dividend-paying companies. Numerous well-established companies have a long and impressive history of paying dividends. One such example is Johnson & Johnson, a multinational healthcare conglomerate. Johnson & Johnson has consistently increased its dividend for over 6 decades, showcasing its commitment to shareholder returns. Another dividend champion is Coca-Cola, the beverage giant. With a global brand presence and a loyal customer base, Coca-Cola generates substantial cash flows, allowing it to distribute dividends consistently for decades. The company's ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences has contributed to its enduring success. Procter Gamble, a consumer goods behemoth, is another prime example of a dividend-paying powerhouse. With a diversified portfolio of household brands, P&G consistently delivers strong earnings, supporting its dividend payouts. The company's focus on innovation and brand building ensures its continued profitability. Section 5. Embracing the power of dividend investing for long-term wealth. Dividend investing offers a compelling pathway to building long-term wealth. By investing in companies that share their profits, you can generate a steady stream of passive income, supplement your regular earnings, and potentially achieve financial freedom. Remember to start with thorough research, diversify your investments, and choose a reputable brokerage platform. While past performance is not indicative of future results, Exploring the track records of dividend champions like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter Gamble can provide valuable insights. These companies' enduring success and commitment to dividend payments highlight the potential of this investment strategy. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By reinvesting your dividends, you can harness the power of compounding, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time.